I think with the information we've got privy to now in 2019, I think any cognizant person is going to be thinking about their carbon footprint and about the future generations and what we can do in small increments of change. It means where are you shopping, what are you shopping for, when are you shopping. So the idea of eating local, buying local, knowing your local farmers, your producers of vegetables and meats, and trying where you can to eat seasonally and eat locally. I think that's an easy change, not much of a sacrifice. The meats produced in Wales is a great example of that. If you're living in Wales, buy Welsh. You've got lovely farmers like Gareth, who's farming where we are filming this now up in North Wales. I know he's very passionate about the idea of sustainability, as I am as well. So it's supporting them, getting to know them, whether they produce vegetables or meat, and this small increments of change, and it also makes you feel much better as well. It's a cookbook with a difference, really. I like to think of it as a world history book through the prism of food. Basically, people, I guess, associate me with music, and I've been collecting music all my life. But parallel to that, people don't know this very much because obviously I don't cook on TV or anything like that or on the radio, but I've been collecting recipes and proverbs and bits of curiosities and language, things that make you smile all my life as well. And since people were listening to my radio show and they were always cooking, so Sunday roast and all the rest, I thought, you know what, I share my music, let me share all my findings over, well, since I was a child. So they've all come back in this book, Where the Wild Cooks Go.